So your warm-up for 413, which is this Monday, it requires you to think about similar figures again. And I've put them on the whiteboard up here. And we have, don't mind my chicken scratch. It's a little messy compared to the computer drawing. Okay, but we have the same figure. So what we need to think about is, remember, this was proportions. And it's very important to know proportions because we're going to be moving into percents, figuring out percents in this next unit. And proportions are a big deal with those. So let's look at this. If you remember correctly, I told you to stick to the same triangle. Remember, this line and this line means they're the same. So we could go with x and 42, but I don't want you to do that. I want you to stick with a similar triangle. It's 66 and 143 are on the same side because of the double slashes there. So let's think about it. Let's stick with this triangle. X is over 143. Okay? But we do, very important though, you have to make sure you get the right one. So this has got the 1 slash, this has got the 1 slash, so 42 is over 66. Does that make sense? X is with the 42, 1 slash, 66 is with the double slashes with 143, 66 and 143 on the bottom. So now at this point in time with proportions, when you're trying to solve for a variable, you just cross multiply and then divide. So we get 66 times x is 66x. You can't do anything. We don't know what the variable value is. That's what we're figuring out. Equals, equal sign in the middle, 143 times 42. Now, you guys know I've told you guys you can use calculators. If you have a calculator at home or on your phone or on your computer, use that. So 42 times 144 is 6,006. Okay? Now, this means multiplication, and I want to take it to the other side to get this variable by itself. So in order to do that, I have to divide by 66, because I have to do the opposite of multiplication to take it over the line. Remember? Divide by 66. X is going to now equal, just taking your calculator and go 6,006 and divide it by 66. And when you do that, you're going to get an answer of 91. Okay, but I would prefer you guys to use your calculators because you guys are allowed to in 8th grade and in 7th grade. Okay, now let's look at number 2 in the next video.